What's up, guys? Welcome to Mandown Gardening. Today we will be taking a look at the new vivosun 4x4 Smart Grow Tent Pro Kit. That's a tongue twister for me, but I will show you what is all in this tent, and it comes as a kit, and you guys can get it for yourself. Let me take you on over there. vivosun has some pretty badass equipment, and we're just gonna start off with these two. These are two 200-watt AEROLIGHTWING lights. So they adjust. You see that? So if your plants are coming up here and you need extra light, I mean, you got to realize too, these go up, they go down, or if you need it narrow, you can make it narrow. And that's just for the lighting. All this is controlled by the smart system. I'm gonna have to kick it on with my other phone. I swear, when they sent it to me, I thought it was gonna be something simple. It's like a spaceship, guys. I was literally in here Indian style earlier, because wait till I show you what's up. And I thought that I could turn the time back and I could go to wherever I wanted to. It was so tight. It also, this is a set, so this is a full 4x4 tent kit, and it comes with two 200-watt lights. Comes with the 6-inch vivosun fan. It also comes with the 6-inch Inline fan as well. Sorry about that. My fat little fingers has always gotten away. But what I do want to show you is the smart system. This gets, boom, like this. This is all hooked up by Wi-Fi, so I can sit on my phone. I can change multiple things. I mean, there are so many things here that I don't even know them all yet. And I've been studying this for 2 days. That's how integrated this system is. It is super, super smart, but it's not so smart that it's like, don't let that deter you from trying to get it or anything like that, because it's actually not that hard to learn how to work out once you really start to learn. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod, and I'm gonna show you on my other phone where I am hooked up, and I'm gonna show you how to start using this entire system right here. So give me 1 second, and we'll see what's up. All right, guys, I'm back. What I want to do is I want to show you guys, first and foremost, you have to connect your Grow Hub smart system right here. You have to connect this smart system to your phone, which is only connectable by Wi-Fi. You have to split your Wi-Fi from 5 to 2.4. This only works on 2.4. So if you don't know how to do that, you have to go in there, you have to reset your codes, and you have to deal with it that way. You can reach out to your internet service, and they will help you further in that department. So I went ahead and I downloaded. I want to get this as bright as possible. I went ahead and I downloaded the vivosun Smart app. Okay? And then it's going to give you the option up here in the corner to hit, and it's add, and then it'll automatically pair your Grow Hub, and it'll pair it to your phone. So that way you have access with your phone to control your entire tent. Trust me, I'm still learning this stuff. There is so much different stuff. I cannot believe how smart this tent is. Like, I'm serious, it's like a rocket ship. I'm gonna show you. Think I'm BSing. So I come down here, I named it 4x4 tent. It did have the model name, but I just named it 4x4 tent. So I'm gonna hit that. This is Grow Light Intensity. You have the manual, the cycle, the recipe. These are the stages that you can set your light for: seedling, vegetative, and flowering, depending on what part of the grow that you're in. We're just gonna go back to seedling for a little bit. We're at about almost 60% right now. Watch this. We're gonna drop it to 40. We're gonna drop it to 25. We're gonna drop it all the way down. Now tell me if this ain't a freaking... All it is red lights, a couple blue lights. If that ain't your freaking rocket ship. But that's awesome. That gives you guys so many ideas already. What can you possibly do with this tent? And all of this is controlled by your phone. So I just went back up to 25, 40, 60, 70, 80. So that's full blast. That's two 200-watt AEROLIGHTWINGS vivosun lights being blasted. I don't even know what the par is. I haven't even checked. All of this is adjustable. All your lights. I do not ever keep my fans inside the tent because I want to grow the biggest and the baddest plants that I possibly can. That's a 6-inch right there. It's called the AEROLIGHTWINGS T 6-inch inline fan. She's connected right to there. Now there is one thing, well, a couple things. So you do have to, so these are your power cords. They both have their own power cord for the light. I don't know if I have to have them both, or maybe I could just run one, like with the daisy chain or whatever. I'm not gonna mess with that right now. I was just trying to get it out. But I hooked up these cords. And when you hook up the little phone cord things, see, I'm not very smart at all this technology. You gotta plug them into here. And once you plug them into there, that way you have full access to all your lights, and you can do all this from your phone. Now you can also do it from here. You can also run everything straight from the control panel. I just like running it from my own phone. And I have plenty of different holes over there. Let me fix this. Over there, over there. I have them running down here where the 6 inches. I mean, they give you plenty of access everywhere. If you need to run lines in and out, so it doesn't matter. So, what I'm gonna show you now, we'll go back on here. We're going to turn this down just a little bit. Put it on to like 60, just so it's not so bright. We're going to go back up here, and then it says my garden. These are the conditions right now inside of the tent. 71.1 degrees, 40% humidity, VPD is at 1.6. This one right here is your fan. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it on. I turned it on to level 2. And as you can see, it's spinning. We'll go ahead, we'll bump it all the way up. It says natural wind. So this is basically replicating what it would be like outside during a very windy day. And look at that little fan just go and go and go and go and go. I can't believe this equipment, guys. Like, I did not know vivosun was on top of their game like that. But they really, really are. Okay, look, I turned it down. I turned it off. And the fan went off. Now, I'm still going through all the books, guys. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I know everything, because I bet you I know like 10%. I bet I know just enough to make things work. Hold on, I'm trying to pick up my S Pen for my stupid phone. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, we're gonna go back over here. It's hard doing this all by myself, guys, but I tell you, I'm a one-man team. And then boom. Now this is your 6-inch inline fan. We'll bump it up. Alright guys, sorry about that. Alright, look. You have manual. Then you have cycle. And look, you can say you're on for 50 minutes. I mean, these are all schedules that you can set for your inline fan. All that goes to your temperatures. All that goes to your humidity. All of it coincides together. I have not had this bad mambo jambo long enough to be able to figure everything out yet. But I'm trying to put up just a draft video for you guys, so that way you guys get the gist of it. That way you guys understand that. What's up, guys? There's a couple things I wanted to mention before we end this. Yeah, you can tell I'm getting ready to put a plant in there. Yeah, she sprouted. But the code, you guys can save 15% at their site, at vivosun site, their official site, with code Mandown. And right now there's a call to action. There is a Prime Day sales they have on the vivosun Amazon store. I'm going to link that in the description, and that should take you over there, so that way you guys can save some money now. Also, so if you guys are looking for some new gear, man, you can save 15% with code Mandown. So I'm really looking forward to this opportunity, and when these, I just had a couple hatch, little baby sprout, and we'll be posting up videos out of here in no time. And we'll be putting this bad little girl to use. So I can't wait for that to happen. If you guys can, please smash that like, share this video, and tell all your friends, man, that Mandown is back. He's feeling better, and vivosun is on the team. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. I'll see you next week.